And then I want to start a recording. Okay. So now I'm recording the video. So today is March 2nd, and I want to show how I made $444 on the crypto black swan crash. So let's just close all this stuff real quick. Copy that if you want. It's not going to help you trade or help you be a better trader. It's just tools to help you get a better, clear view. Okay, so first I'm going to show the profits took in today. So let's close positions. And let's go down. And as you see, $440 today. And that's from mask dropping from 3.775 to 3.332. Realized profit, $4.39. Exchange fee, $1. So when people tell you crypto fees is high, I mean, sometimes for low orders, look, $24. I paid a little bit more. I paid $2.07. But it's like the more money you make, the less your fees are. Doesn't matter. It is what it is. You can see my P&L. My P&L is pretty good. I'll actually show you my monthly returns. But that's not what we're worried about right now. We're worried about the drop today. So I'm going to show you. So all of these days for the last couple months, crypto's been going up. So you grab support from here, December, January, push up, divergence, pushes through a main level, keeps going parabolic for the rest of January, in the beginning of February, makes a retest and tries to push through and fails. Once I seen the rejections up top here, and then we created kind of like a head and shoulders triple top neckline here at the green line. So as you see, we made a neckline. I kind of already knew the top was in off of this failed breakout. And then we started getting lower highs and lower lows. So lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and then the lower low came in. So let's transform that over into, and this is the total crypto market cap. So crypto total market cap. You can find this by going on tradingview.com and then loading it up like a chart. And you can load up all your charts through this website, the same website. So let's go to the coin I traded today, mask, and let's go capture my entry completely. So if you want me to be honest, I had multiple entries and I got stopped out 2-3 times for like $24, maybe like $20. One was $20, one was $24. And then some was stopped out in profit. I'll show you those later. I just want to keep the video short and clean, and how I caught the black swan crash, and what exactly it was and why it wasn't so difficult, but it was kind of difficult because I got stopped out so many times before the major drop. So basically I'll show you what I would do. So, but I caught the top and I just got stopped out there, and then I caught it again. And so I'll give you an example. So Saturday it pushed up, Sunday it pushed up, Monday it pushed up, Tuesday it pushed up, broke through this. But then I seen it match the trend line that I'm about to show you right here. I'm gonna make it for you. I don't need it. I see it. I see it without having to draw it. But it hit this trend line right here that I just drew. So this trend line, it hit this trend line at the top. And I said, okay, if it breaks through here, it's a bullish structure now. So you're seeing higher numbers. You're gonna probably see $5, maybe even more. If it wants to continue to go down, it won't go past that trend line. Right? Simple shit, basic shit that you learn in any fucking course. I'm not a genie. It's just the way I operate is a little different. And I do use Elliott wave inside my strategy. So as you see right here, there's an Elliott wave. 1, 2, 3. Inside that one, there's a 5. You understand what I'm saying? If you, depending on how you count it, people count it differently. It doesn't matter to me. So I counted 1, 2, 3, and I seen it tap that top of the trend line. And these are all subways, but I'm not gonna get into that. That's for one-on-one mentorship. And that's for, I don't think I'm going to ever start a course. I'll just have a one-on-one mentorship. So if you guys are interested in one-on-one mentorships, I can do that for you, just one-on-one. And or maybe just a class, a Zoom class of 6 where I can teach in depth and make sure I'm getting quality over quantity. I'm not really into taking anybody's money. I feel like I was blessed with a tool to where I can make my own money, and I don't really need to take your money off of this, being that I'm able to print fucking money at any time. So it doesn't really matter. If you want my help and you want me to teach you this shit, it's gonna be one-on-one. It's gonna be a medium ticket, a medium price, and it's gonna be worth my time. But back to this. Um, so yeah, this is the third one, two, three, third move up, and of course it's a higher low. So people will probably be scared of shorting into a higher low because that means bullishness. But I seen it hit that trend line, and I said, okay, now I'm gonna prepare for a short. So I dropped down into my time frames, and I got this consolidation. Now I'm gonna see if I can find the order. I entered here, 4.121. That was one of my first entries. So let's see if I can find that order. Fails. Cause I do trade a lot. I must say I put a lot of positions in. What was that? That was yesterday. No. Okay, I need yesterday's fill. Just so I could show you the real fills. I don't like to fucking fake anything. Open short. There we go. That might be it right there. That was yesterday. Yep. Okay, so I opened my first short was look yesterday. 4.116. You're not gonna fucking believe this. Look. 4.11. Let me see, where is that at? 116. It's the top. It's the fucking top. It's the top of the whole Black Swan event. We're literally, as I'm documenting this is March 3rd. We're going into March 3rd. It's March 2nd. We're going into March 2nd. First fucking entry. Like, how does he do that? Precise time, effort, sharpening my sword every day, making sure I'm on the charts, making sure my mind is focused, and I'm content with taking whatever the market gives me for the day. Right? Boom. Caught the fucking top. 4.116. Is that what it said? 4.116. I close at 4.014. I get nervous. I'm in the shit. I'm like, fuck. I'm already, I think at that time, it was like, how much money did I lose? Yeah. 4.114. So I'm in there at 4.116. And then it's like 4.1114 is down fucking here. So I get up like, let me see. I'm not a Forex kid. I'm a crypto baby. So I don't speak pips. I speak percentages. But I understand pips every 10 cents, 10 pips, some shit like that, whatever. But I do it in percentages. So I got up like 411. And for the share size I was up, they call it lot size and or whatever. I just call it my value, whatever. Times my small amount of leverage and whatever my account size is, and that gives me my share value. And then I trade it like that. But I don't make it too complicated. It's just fucking simple. But I was already up like 2.5%. And in my account, that was kind of nice for me. That was like a $140 day. It was calm. I didn't really need anything bigger. I'm a trader I'm probably like 4 months profitable, but I've been trading for 3 years. So yeah, like it's just like that was a nice amount of money for me to be up for the day. I was like, all right, fuck it, I'm closing. Then I woke up this morning and it looks 7 o'clock. Yeah, Thursday. I woke up this morning and we're fucking down 10%. And I was like, damn. So that was like the first 400 I missed. Then we had this. And you guys like, this is, you're probably looking at this shit like, there's no way you call all this. It's all there. It's all in the fucking pudding. I'll give you my asset name, Swerve Booking. This is my account. And I'm going to go with my email now. Give me 1 second. Yeah, I'm on my email right now. Okay, this is my email, Swerve Bookings. It's me, fucking brown kid, beautiful brown kid. There's no way I'm allowed. Nobody named Swerve. No fucking line. I don't have $1 million account. I'm just showing you from a smaller account that I built up and just caught fucking crazy moves on in the middle of the night. There's no way to fake it. Fucking and we don't have demo accounts in crypto, so you can't. This can't be fake. You know what I'm saying? There's no demo accounts. Maybe some exchanges do, but if you look up this exchange, we have no demo accounts. There's no. You either trade your real funds or you don't trade your real funds. There's no funded accounts. There's no nothing. There's only your real money. So boom, I re-entered now. So I got to this point, and I'll show you how I found this. I'll just delete this because this was a second entry. It's the same thing, same entry or whatever the case is. Or maybe I scaled in again. I don't want to make this video too long. Just want to keep it quick. So now I get down here and just this is regular basic shit. I draw one of my consolidation boxes around the high and the low where we're ranging. Breaks out, fakes, breaks out. Of course, you know me. I'm looking at the higher time frame, so I'm not convinced. Breaks out. I draw a fucking triangle on the top of that. I'm waiting for the breakdown. It gives me a 1, 2, 3, and then just plummets. You know what I'm saying? Just plummets. Or 1, 2, however you want to count it, doesn't matter. It gives me a break of structure, and I just enter again, enter the short again. This time I had to stop above here because I was like, fuck it. Like, I'm gonna just risk. I'm gonna risk it this time. Like, I'm gonna risk it. I believe it's still gonna drop. I'm looking at the total. The total is matching that. The total is probably like here at this time. We're fucking like this at this time. Boom. I'm like, there's we either go through here or we come through here. I'm like, I'm just gonna put a big. I'm gonna take a risk. I'm gonna take a risk, and I took the risk, and it worked. And it's not the first time. I'm actually gonna go through my P&L, make a different video, show you my P&L for the month. Um, this account, I think this account started with $500, or it really started from 200, but I switched my broker, so it's not gonna be really provable that I started from 200. So I would just state that the account started from 500 now, and it's provable that the account started from 500. So, but $400 in one night, really a couple hours. Just let you know that you don't need a big account. I think before I made this trade, I was like, my account was at like 400, and I took withdrawals. So last week the account was at like 500. I made it to 800, and I took a 300. Make sure you take profit. They always say that, take profit. Make sure you're actually able to use this money at times when you need to, when you're building your skill. You want to be able to use the money. You're making this money for what reason? To probably pay for something, or pay for a dream, or pay for a liability. So just make sure that you're taking profit when needed. So I built the account up to 800, then I withdrew 300, and then I think I took like $100. I think I took $100 loss, built it up again, like just back and forth. And then today was a $400 day. I think every day from today prior, I was like making like $120 days, just taking it slow, not trying to hit home runs. So yeah, that's basically it. Just wanted to show you guys that video. That's 400 to $1,000 in one fucking night, I guess, right? And I did that multiple times this week, but I just wanted to show you guys how I did it this night with crypto, with the percentages, and with the tight stop losses. Don't let anybody let you think that. And if people are like, what type stop loss? Well, fucking dickhead, I had a type stop loss here, 2%. This one came, I was super confident in this position. I fucking didn't have a type stop loss. I had a wider one, but it was really my original stop loss. So yes, I do use tight stop losses. I do use my stop losses. And even if you were taking this trade, you could have fucking put your stop loss here, 1%, and made 15%. I really took a trade that was a 10.3 risk to reward. Okay, so not to brag, it's proof is in the pudding. You put the work in, you fucking get the results. And I'm gonna just show you guys the process along the way. I appreciate everybody tuning in and locking in with me. Hit me up for the one-on-one mentorships. I'm not gonna be pushing it or promoting it too hard. I don't give a fuck about your money, so I just don't care. But if you do want it, email me, comment under the video, shoot me a DM on Instagram or Twitter. I'm on there posting shit all the time. And yeah, man, be safe. Gang.